Hey folks, Jeff here at Back to Country. Appreciate you joining us here on the channel today as we continue to make progress on our electrical infrastructure. Well, today we're installing our first electrical outlet. I know, we don't even have power yet. We're not connected to the grid, so why am I wasting my time installing an outlet? Well, I got to thinking while we're waiting on the power company to come and do their part to get us all hooked up, I better make some progress on getting a way for us to hook up. I mean, heck, what if they come and hook the power up tomorrow? I ain't got nothing to plug into or anything, so we'd be hooked up to power and it'd be useless. Nothing worse than useless power. Anyway, that's where we're at. Stick with us. Let's see how it goes. Stripping north down. That's it. That's the first outlet installed. A dedicated 20 amp GFCI using number 10 wire and a 20 amp breaker. Next thing we're going to wire is we've got a 50 amp welder plug that we're going to put in here, but I need some number 8 wire. All I have is 10 or like 1, and that's way too big, so we'll have to pick up a little bit of wire for that. Although I somehow lost the footage, we did get this all wired up. The outlet, of course, you saw, and the welder plug, I don't know what happened. But just to walk you through the process, it was pretty simple. We had 2 hots and a ground. So welder plugs are kind of unique in that they don't use a neutral. They just use a ground. So you've got a 50 amp twin pole breaker. That's your 2 hots. In this case, we did a black wire and a red wire, and then a green wire for the ground. So you notice there are 3 slots on a welder plug. That's line 1, line 2, and ground. That's all there is to it. Got that wired up, and now all we're waiting on is for the electricity to get connected, and I'll be able to at least plug into this dedicated 20 amp outlet, or I could even use my welder. We'll just have to wait and see what we end up doing. Well, folks, if you stuck with us through another video, we always appreciate your support and hanging with us and watching to see what happens next, because even we don't know. Anyway, we've got a couple outlets wired up and we're ready to go. All we need is a power company to get with us and get us all connected up so we're hot and we can plug in. In the meantime, take care, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.